from Carolan, Ontario. I love being outdoors, and I really believe that the outdoors is a fantastic place for all ages. Come on, come join me. I'm going to try out the Wasaga Beach Nordic Center today. It looks like a beautiful day for cross-country skiing. I am out on this beautiful cross-country ski trail. It's sunny, not too cold. This is quite a beautiful place. I'm in a pine forest here. It's just very peaceful and it's very well organized. Lots of markers and maps. I'm thoroughly enjoying myself. Here is the town of Wasaga Beach. This is the beach area where the drone was flying, and then along the Nottawasaga River. Right here is the Wasaga Beach Nordic Center where the cross-country ski trails are, and also snowshoe and winter bike trails. Such a lovely winter area.